While everyone debates the future of AI agents, two industries already quietly run them: telecom and banking. Here is where agents are working today and the line they are not allowed to cross. 3 minutes inside the operations floor, stay for the rule that keeps them safe. Start with telecom. A network throws thousands of alerts a night. Agents help triage them, group the noise, and suggest a fix, so engineers chase the real fault, not the dashboard. In customer service, agents pull your account, check the line, and draft the answer, so the human resolves instead of looking things up. Now, banking. Back office work is full of repeatable judgment. Agents reconcile payments that do not match, prepare dispute cases, and assemble the evidence for a fraud or money laundering review. They do not close the case. They do the legwork so a person decides faster. Notice what these have in common. The agent does the heavy lifting. A human still owns the decision. That is not a limitation, that is the design. Quick decision. Where should an agent stop in these operations? Once it drafts the recommendation, once it executes the action automatically. It depends on the consequence. Hold that thought. The answer is, it depends on the consequence. A low-risk task like grouping network alerts can run with light oversight. A high-consequence action like releasing a held payment or freezing an account needs a limit and a human approval. Match the leash to the stakes. So the pattern across both industries is the same. Agents move from co-pilot to operator slowly, one bounded task at a time. First they assist, then they act on small, reversible things. The big, irreversible calls stay with a person, with a trace of everything the agent did. And this is why regulated industries are good at this. They already know how to grant authority carefully. Limits, approvals, audit trails, and a stop button are not new to a bank. Agents just inherit the same discipline. Here is the reversal. The exciting part of Agentic AI in these sectors is not a robot replacing the worker. It is the boring, bounded agent that clears the backlog overnight, so the human spends the day on judgment instead of lookup. Quiet, governed, and already here. So, tell me, in your industry, what is the first task you would hand an agent and where would you make it stop? Comment below. Follow. We are just getting started.